How to measure hair length correctly. Hair length is one of the most important factors in a hair system. It is essential to provide accurate measurements when purchasing a hair unit or suggesting the best one. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to measure your hair length on a hair system and or your natural hair. All you need is a flexible measuring tape like this one, and you can also opt in for a mannequin head to make it a little more stable to measure the hair. First, you'll want to go to the root of the hair system. Take your measuring tape, place it at 0, then pull the hair against the measuring tape and work towards the ends of the hair. You are measuring from root to tip. To measure hair length on your own natural hair, follow the same steps. As you can see, the hair length on this model marks about 6 inches. You may choose to do this in different parts of the hair system to ensure that it's all the same length or different lengths depending on the model. Note that hair on a system may not always measure exactly what you are expecting. If this is the case, it will typically be longer than stated. For example, a 6-inch hair length on a system might measure to 7 inches. This is to ensure that the overall hair length reaches at least the desired length. However, natural hair is measured right to the ends to provide stylists or sales representatives with more accurate lengths so that they can provide the best hair system solution. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.